Hi, my name is Aileen Perez and I'm an astrophysicist, and this is Could a Spaceship Fly Through Jupiter? So we refer to Jupiter as a gas giant. It's the largest gas giant. Recent studies have said that the core of Jupiter may actually be rocky and actually very big. But let's assume that the core, fine, even with a rocky core, can we even fly through the atmosphere of Jupiter? And let's see what could possibly happen. Well, the first hazard is radiation belts. And the magnetosphere of Jupiter is very intense and can sap a spacecraft in no time. Some of these belts go up to 200,000 kilometers from the actual planet, so they extend from very far. So even just a spacecraft coming near Saturn can actually deal with the serious radiation effects. Now, the second one is winds. Once you get to the surface, you're going to face winds of about 250 miles per hour. You're also going to get a lot of radiation. And then let's say you survive the 250 miles per hour wind. Let's say you go 28 miles into the atmosphere. And now you have to face more winds. And this is about 400 miles per hour wind. If you can survive all of that, which a spacecraft will have a lot of difficulty doing so, we can keep going. And then once you pass the atmosphere, you can get into the body of the planet, and then you are actually going to encounter a pressure that will crush pretty much any type of satellite you have. This is about 44 million pounds per meter, so it's actually a really strong pressure. So, I mean, technically, if you can survive all of these things, you can fly through some of Jupiter, but I highly doubt that you'll be able to make it all the way through. My name is Aileen Perez, and I'm an astrophysicist, and this is Could You Fly Through Jupiter?